Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Police withdraw murder case against Adedoyin. The Nigeria Police Force has withdrawn a case against the owner of hotels and resorts Ile-Ife, Rahmon Adedoyin, and 6 others charged with the murder of Timothy Adegoke, who died at the hotel on November 6, 2021. The police told an Abuja High Court on Monday that the force wished to discontinue all proceedings in the murder case for further investigation. Others charged with the educationist are Adedeji Adeshola, 23 years old, Magdalene Shefuna, 24, Adeniyi Aderogba, 37, Oluwale Lawrence, 37, Oyetunde Kauzim, 38, Adebayo Kunle, 35, and others still at large. The police had moved Adedoyin and the 6 others from Osun State to Abuja for investigation and prosecution. According to the case summary and proof of evidence earlier filed by the police, Adedoyin is being charged with illegally disposing of Adegoke's body, altering and cancelling his payment receipt, and removal of the hotel CCTV cameras with intent to destroy evidence.